Lies though. I'm like, the guns don't go douche now. Nobody used to go douche. Are you recording? Hey guys, welcome. So, random people are coming over, they didn't tell you, you're in a rush to go somewhere, or you're just plain lazy. I'm here to show you how to make really good recipes, shortest amount of time possible. And if you're new here, subscribe for more random videos, but not basic. So let's get it. I'm here to show you how to make really tasty recipes in the shortest amount of time possible. And if you're new here, subscribe for more random recipes, but not basic. Today we'll be making a mug cake. Yes guys, a cake in a mug. We will need flour, and then we'll need to put 4 tablespoons of the flour. A tablespoon of sugar, 1 and maybe a half depending on your mug size as well. And then we are going to put some baking powder. So this is basically 2 pinches of baking powder and some baking soda. Yeah, some baking soda. Gonna mix that in. Make sure everything is mixed in properly. So it's supposed to look like that when it's done. Some milk. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons first of milk. Some oil. So you can use butter instead of oil. It's just a personal preference. 1 tablespoon of oil to keep it all moist. 4 drops vanilla essence, basically almost bottle cup full. Use a bit of lemon juice or vinegar if you have it, depending. Just a bit. Make sure the seeds don't fall in. It's fallen in a couple of times, if I got it right. Mix it up. So it's supposed to be heavy, but not very light. So it's supposed to look like that, basically. And then now we just pop it in the microwave for 1 minute, 20 seconds, depending on your mug. 1 minute, 10 seconds, depending on your mug. Our cake is out. It's a plain vanilla cake in a mug. Took me just like 1 minute to make. You can make individual ones. When your friend's coming over, you can make chocolate with chocolate chips. Just depends on your preference. But this is a bare minimum. It's supposed to be all moist and stuff. But this, you can serve it with ice cream, with custard, just depending on your preference. If you tried this and you liked it, or you tried it in different flavors, just comment below, tell me how it turned out. And if you want to see more Daisy Chef videos, like, share, and subscribe. I will be back next week with another video.